Hi lovers, here welcome back to my channel, your home for delicious recipes and kitchen inspirations. Today we are diving into a classic and best and favorite way to make the Nigerian fried rice, packed with rich flavors, vibrant colors and a perfect blend of spices. This dish is a showstopper at any gathering, I'm not kidding. And I'm sure this recipe is not your regular, so grab your apron, let's get cooking guys. Step 1. In a clean pot, add your well-washed chicken, add your ginger and garlic paste, your thyme, curry, bay leaves and your favorite spices. Guys, you need to be generous with your spices because this is where you breathe flavors, because this stock is what we're using to cook our fried rice. So if you miss this step, you have missed everything. Add your blended pepper to it for flavor and aroma. Cover to cook. After some minutes of steaming, add small water to it and allow the chicken cook to perfection. You will be checking on your chicken on intervals to avoid it burning. Step 2. This is my secret in making this recipe. My friends will always ask why my fried rice tastes a lot different from the ones they eat at the restaurant or make in their house. So this is my secret. I blend my green pepper, spring onions, green peas together. This will elevate your fried rice color, aroma and the taste will be 100. Step 3. Add liver to your boiling chicken and cook it till it's soft. Remove it and set it aside for later. Here are the veggies we'll be using: 3 cups of diced carrots, 1 cup of green peas, 3 cups of green beans, 1/2 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of diced green pepper and red and yellow bell pepper, 1 cup of chopped spring onions and 3 cups of cabbage. Sliced white onions, but you can use the red onions if that's what you have, but white onion is more flavorful. Remove your cooked chicken and fry your chicken till it's golden brown and crispy, but if you don't like fried things, you can use oven. You know they're making this dish for yourself and for your family, so if you know what you guys like that is perfect for your family, just do it. At the end of the day, just get a perfect dish. That's what matters. In a large pot, heat your vegetable oil over a medium heat. Add your curry, thyme, turmeric powder, fry a bit and add your well-washed rice. This rice is a total of 7 cups, standard measuring cup. I don't usually parboil my rice. To remove a lot of starch, I use salt to wash it multiple times, then drain and set aside. This ensures your fried rice stays fluffy and not sticky. With this method, reasonable amount of starch is out. Check my other cooking videos to understand this process. This step releases their aroma and gives the rice that signature yellow color. Step 5. Add your chicken stock, ginger and garlic paste and your favorite spices, because this is the last stage you will be making use of spice, so just be generous. Now pour in your blended green puree and stir well. I added my peels now because this particular peels is very strong, so I need to cook it with the rice. And lastly, cover it. Let it cook on a low heat until the stock is absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. Now back to our chicken. This right here is optional. In my well fried crispy chicken, I added my fried pepper mix. Check out my other cooking videos for the recipes. I will put the link at the description box, so by the end of this video, please do check it out. Now our rice is properly cooked and fluffy. Our rice is not sticking together and the aroma in my kitchen is something else, guys. And our food is 80% ready to be served. In a separate pot, heat up your oil and add a little ginger and garlic paste, and then add your onions. Fry a bit. At this point, if you have shrimps or liver, you will now introduce it. So you add in your shrimps, fry for a bit, then add in your liver, fry till they are golden brown, then set it aside. We'll make use of it later. When that is done, in the same oil, add in your cooking butter, then add your white onions to this, fry it a bit, then introduce all your veggies. Saute your carrots, green peas, green beans, sweet corn, cabbage, bell peppers and all your veggies to this. Add your liver and shrimps, then add a little seasoning cubes to this. No need to add spices because our rice is well seasoned already. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes to keep the vegetables crunchy and vibrant, guys. You don't want your veggies to be looking overcooked in your fried rice. It will not, your fried rice will not be given, I promise you. So 3 to 4 minutes is okay. Final step: scoop some quantity of the veggies out to be used later, then add your cooked rice to your sauteed vegetable and gently mix everything together to combine the flavors. Please make sure that everything is well cooperated together, like everything marry each other. When you are done with this process, you now add your scooped veggies back to it, then mix everything. This is the final stage, guys. I don't know if you are still there, but if you have watched this video to this point and you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and do it, and don't forget to subscribe to help this small brand grow. Thank you, my lovers. You see how colorful this food looks, how aromatic and mouth-watering our fried rice is, and there you have it, perfectly made best Nigerian fried rice you come across on this space, bursting with flavor and ready to impress. I kid you not. You can serve it with your fried chicken, plantain and coleslaw for the ultimate meal experience. This is my beautiful plated dish of fried rice with garnishes. I made this sumptuous delicacy on Christmas Day, so that's why I will pair it with my red label mixed with my ferries to step it down. You know now, this fried rice is the best for any Nigerian party, occasion, and to impress anybody, because I bet so people will be coming and asking you for more. Please, if you enjoy this recipe, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that you can reach others, and also subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video.